Today we are going to review on how to register on Alixmining. People are asking me, how can I register on Alixmining? It is very simple how you can register. Before I forget, is it the first time that you are seeing this video on your phone, your desktop, or whatever system that you are watching it? Please kindly hit the notification button, like, comment and share for other people to see it. As you do so, God bless you. Case that you want to register on Alixmining, it's very simple. I'm going to review it how to register. Thank you. Alright, welcome back. This is how to register. I'll review it here. Alixmining. You will enter sign up. Enter sign up. Just be watching now. Enter your phone number where they write mobile phone number. Remember, the number of start phone 70, not 070. Your password to confirm whether the password is correct. It's here where you write your password to know whether the password is correct. After that, this where you will write your referral code. You write it there. After you are done that, you are good to go. You just sign up. That's just it. Thanks for watching. Is it the first time that you come across this video? Please kindly hit the notification button, like, share, and comment. Anytime that I release updates like this, you'll be the first person to see it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thanks for watching Unspoken Insight. Like, comments, and subscribe.